Thank you for being a member of Impression 5 Science Center. This is how you can download your digital membership card to an Android phone. First, use the Google Play app to download the Wallet Passes app. Then, access the email from Impression 5 on your smartphone. Click the Download Membership Card button. It's near the bottom of the email. Then click the Add to Pass Wallet button. The card will automatically go to your Wallet Passes app, where it can be accessed at any time. To see the back of the card, click on the lowercase I in the bottom corner. When you're done looking at the back, hit the Done button. Member cards provide benefits for the individuals named on the card. To share this card with a second adult named on the card, navigate to the back of the card. Click Share Pass to send the card to your secondary member. Select the way you'd like to share the pass. I'm going to share with email. Now you're ready to use your card for admission benefits at Impression 5 Science Center, or with one of the hundreds of museum and science center partners across the country that your membership provides free or discounted admission benefits with. Learn more at impression5.org. We hope to see you soon.